Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Here it is. If I can make it at home, why buying at the store? Yes, I know. It takes time to make certain things from scratch versus going to your supermarket, buy it, and it's done. A factor you might want to consider is how much healthier, tastier, and fresher it is when it's homemade. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my roasted red pepper Parmesan Vinaigrette. This is such an easy recipe and the flavors are incredible. You know exactly what goes in it, plus you can always adjust to your liking. This vinaigrette will definitely enhance your salad. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a jar of a blender, we'll combine roasted red peppers. Now, you can go ahead and buy them pre-done at the store. But why? It's so easy to roast them at home. To know more about it, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add some extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a little bit of honey, 1 large clove of garlic, some fresh chives from my garden, as well as the oregano and the rosemary. Now we'll season with hot paprika, ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Another ingredient we'll add to this is Parmesan Reggiano cheese. We'll place the lid on and process until very smooth, about 30 to 45 seconds. That's all. So when this is done, as I always say, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. Mine was just the way I want, but perhaps you prefer more salt to it or a little bit more honey. After all, it's yours, not mine. So we'll go ahead and transfer to a bowl, or like I did, a measuring cup, then cover and transfer to the fridge for at least 1 to 1.5 hours to chill and let the flavors blend. And my friends, this is our roasted red pepper vinaigrette. This recipe is absolutely delightful. It's fresh, colorful, and so tasty. It will definitely complement and enhance your salad. I'm telling you, it's far better than any from the store. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!